Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Akhil Vinay from Easy Carnatic, the platform where I'll be teaching you the most easiest method of learning Carnatic classical music. And today we are gonna finish this composition. It's been a very big journey learning this, exploring this raga Natai. So, and today I'll be teaching you the Sahitya. Let's sing the Arohana Avarohana of Natai first. Sari gama pa dha ni sa ni pa ma ga ma re sa. The reason why I'm singing in this fast is by this time you'll be very much thorough with this Arohana and Avarohana thing. That's the reason. Okay. Anyway, Pallavi and Pallavi and Charanam, as usual in all Altana Varna, we have this Sakityam only for Pallavi and Charanam. Pallavi, first line, Sarasijanabha Mampaki. 2 phrases. Let's learn that first. Sarasijanabha sa 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 ni pa ma ga ma re. You will be familiar with the swaram, right? So there is no need for me to teach you the swaram. Anyway, let's go for the side. Sarasi sa 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 ni pa sarasi ja pa ni pa ma ja na ma pa ma ga ma na ba re. That's the first phrase. Only 2 phrases are there in this line. Sarasijanabha first, ma pa ki second. Sarasijanabha. Then Mampaki. Mampaki goes like this. Ma, sari, Mampaki. In one stretch, it's Sarasijanabha. Mampaki. Next line, second line of Pallavi, Sakala, Bhuvana, Vandya, Charana. 4 phrases. Sakala, sari sari ni sa pa, sa ni sa, sa ka ri ni, sakala, la sa pa, sa la ka, sakala, bhuva. Bhuva nima sari pama bhuva na gama pa bhu sakala bhuva na vandya. Vandya, it goes like Sakala bhuvana sari ma pamari samaga. Up to this vandya maga dya charana pamani pasani ri cha sapa charana. That's it. Sakala bhuva bhu viva sari pama bhuva va sari pama va na bhuvana na gama pa. So sakala bhuvana vandya charana goes like this. Sakala bhuvana vandya charana. Next, Anupallavi. 3 phrases. Vara Syanandura Pura Dhira. Vara Vara Nipa Syanam Sya Magamasyanam Paripamanam Du ga pa ma du ra ma re za ra sa ni sa ra ma re za ra dhi ga ma pa ni sa. Last stretch do durga ra ra. So it's like I said, there are only 3 phrases. Take breath only for those. Varasya Varasyanandura Pura Dhira. Next line, Vyasadi Munivara Sannuda Charida. 4 phrases. Parisari Vyasa Nisa Nisa Sa Vyasadi Mari Mari Mu Sa Pama Ni Marisa Ni Marisa Vyasadi Muni Vara Vasa Nipa Vara Sari Pai Pavara San San Sari Pa Satari Pa Sari Pa San San Nu Nu Ni Pa Nu Ta Pa Ma Ta Charira Gama Padari. So those 4 phrases with the talam. No, first without the talam. Vyasa Di, then Muni, then Vara, then Ra, Sannuta, Charira. In one stretch with the talam. Vyasa Di Muni, Vara, Sannuta, Charira. Then the Sahitam is for Charana. Manida Suguna Shira. 3 phrases, or if you can sing Suguna Shira together, that's also possible, no problem. Mani Pama Parisa Mani Ta Ma Madhyama it's always Ma Mani Nijala is Ni Pama Mani Ta Parisa Ta. Together, Manita Sugu Sugu Sari Pamagama. Su is Sari. Sugu Pamagama Gu Na Panjama Na Shi Magapama Pamari Shi La Sariya. Phrase by phrase. Manita Suguna Shila. With the thala it goes like this. Manita Suguna Shila. Okay. So that's the end of this lesson, the tutorial of Natai Varnam Sarasijanabha Mampaki. I know it was a nice journey throughout, exploring the raga Natai. So, keep on practicing, guys. I hope this one was really beneficial for you all. If you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as your comments. I'll be replying to those as soon as I get to know of these notifications. And if you like me to explain any lesson, you can comment that also. I'll be working on that. So hopefully see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.